What's going on, kid family? So right now we are heading out, man. We were scouting OfferUp the other day, and we came across a set of wheels that, you know, the price they were asking for those wheels was so cheap, it's too good to be true. And I wasn't even searching for these wheels by no means, but the price is too good, and I confirmed the price with the seller, and right now we're heading out there. It's pretty crappy weather today. We're going to Bensenville, Illinois, about 30 minutes away from the home location, and we're gonna check the wheels out, see if they're any good. Extremely cheap, so I'm gonna go check it out, and I'll get back to you guys after the sale. And for those of you that are watching the channel, you guys know I'm currently investing or trading some airline companies, and you know, my heart is getting broken right now because we are here by Chicago's O'Hare International Airport, and all I can see is grounded airplanes. American Airlines, the company that we have. Check it out. I don't know if the GoPro is going to be able to pick it up over there, but we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 American airline planes just posted up like it's about to be a auto show or something. And that's never good. So hopefully those share prices pick up in the upcoming weeks, and we can cash in some profits. Guys, come take a look at this. Come take a look at this. It's gonna be hard to believe. In the boxes. Whoa, let me wipe you guys down. Terrible weather we're having. In the boxes, guys, we picked up the wheels for a killer deal, and it ended up being a chick that had these wheels. She had a second gen 2.0 liter turbo Hyundai Genesis, and she picked up these aftermarket Enkais for her vehicle. This is the wheels she picked up. Pretty much similar fitment and offset to this. And dude, let me give you guys just a sneak peek. I'm not gonna take everything out because we are still on our way home. I just wanted to stop and show you guys one of these wheels, what we are working with. And this is not cooperating with me. On the ground. Let's take a look at one of these puppies. So these are factory base model Genesis wheels, 18 inches. I won't give you guys all the specs, but as you guys can see, this wheel is pretty much mint. She said she took them off the vehicle when she had 30,000 miles, and then you know what, we got in her garage, and on top of the Genesis she had a crotch rocket. She had a 600cc Ninja crotch rocket as well. That was hers. So she's definitely an automotive person. But yeah, man, great deal. Once we get home, man, I'll probably tell you guys the price I paid for this. And I swear, I kind of feel like I raped the girl because I got them for so cheap. Let's go.
So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
So you guys remember how my microphone was tweaking earlier? Well, nothing is working right now as far as audio, so I'm just gonna voice this rest of the video over. And here you can see the wheels she picked up and what size it is. It is pretty much the same spec as her factory wheels, except she actually went worse on the offset. Her factory wheels were a 32mm offset, and she went with a 38mm offset. So what that means is her wheels are tucking more instead of poking more, and that's never a good thing if you're going for stands. But check it out, inside these things, there's brand new lug nuts with a key here. I only found 10 at the moment, but that's always a bonus. And you can actually see her paperwork in here. I already blocked off her name and information, but here you can see how much she paid and the wheel specs that she bought. $326, which isn't not bad. Oh wait, it says 2. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, but you know, she got the hub centric rings, she got the extra lug nuts, so she got the full package right here, guys. And it says Genesis 14, so I'm guessing her car was a 2014 Hyundai Genesis. But that's awesome. And you know what, guys, we found the rest of the lug nuts right now. So we have a full set of lug nuts, Gorilla lug nuts. Awesome. Check out this wheel right here. Most of these things are mint, like this one, not a scratch on it on the lip. And let's check out the back, because I always like to check out the back spokes, the back wheel, make sure there's no damage on there, it's not cracked, because I've stumbled upon wheels where they were cracked in the back but the faces looked perfect. So always check those when you're buying used set of wheels, guys. And you know what, I'm pretty happy with the purchase so far. Let's check out the next wheel. Alright, so on this wheel we got some damage, and this is the worst wheel out of all of them. There's two little areas where there's some curb rash, a little bit more aggressive curb rash, but nothing you cannot fix. And this is the area I don't even know how to translate because I don't know what I'm doing.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. It's fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Knowledge.
Here in my garage, just bought these brand new used wheels for me. But you know what I like more about materialistic things? Money. And these things will bring me a lot of money once I sell these. And you know what, at this point in the video, I think I went ahead and told you guys how much I paid for these wheels. So little money, it's crazy. I paid $10 a wheel. I paid $40 in total for this, for the most part, mint set of wheels. So it's crazy how I stumbled upon these. It's crazy that it worked out. It's crazy that someone would sell a full set of wheels for $40. But you know what, we saw the opportunity, we took it, we executed it, and right now we got a lot of things we can do with these. We'll probably mock them on the Civic, check the specs, clean them up, make some videos, and then either we can run them in the winter, we can flip them for some profits. So go ahead, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, like the video, and comment down below if she got raped. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.